Oh, I just spilled my matcha. Shit. Good morning. Happy Sunday. I'm heading to Pilates right now. I booked a 10 a.m. hot mat Pilates class, so we're gonna go to that. I also just took a few minutes and booked all my other classes for the week because it really holds me accountable booking those classes in advance, because if you don't show up and you don't cancel within 12 hours, you get charged $15. So it really holds me accountable on those days where I'm feeling tired or I'm feeling like I'm just super busy. It really gets me there, so I love it. But this is my new workout set that I got from White Fox. I feel like I never wear red. I just don't really think that it's my color, but I get bored of the same workout sets and colors all the time, so I wanted to switch it up. So I got this one, and I was inspired by Lauren Snyder. I think she posted it on her Instagram story. Also, I am in peak paleness. We need summer immediately. That class was so hard. It felt like we were there for 2 hours. I was like, we have to be going over time, aren't we? It literally felt so long. It was so hard, but it was so good. So sweaty now. I'm heading to my brain isn't working. I'm heading to the grocery store. I'm picking up a grocery order. I put it in yesterday. I did all my meal prepping for meal planning for the next 2 weeks. I just like to plan out, make sure we have stuff for breakfast and lunch that we need, but then plan out what we're gonna eat for dinner every day. So I put in a grocery pickup order yesterday, and I'm heading to pick that up now. I love grocery pickup order. It's seriously the biggest cheat code. It helps me stick to my list. I only get what I need, and it just saves so much time. It's seriously the best thing ever. Did I say that it's free? It's completely free, at least at my grocery store. So it's just amazing. Let's go pick that up. I'm also going to eat a granola bar. Showered. Brody actually had to work this weekend. He was on call and he got called in yesterday and today. So I'm going to try to get everything that I want to do before he gets home this afternoon so that we can just relax and hang out together. I'm going to do a few things around my apartment, but nothing too crazy. Just give this place a little bit of TLC so I feel good going into the week. I just hate when my space is messy. It needs to be tidy and it needs to be clean. I was going to vacuum and mop the floors today. I like to do that going into the week, but I actually might be having some of my family over later on in the week, and so I'm just gonna wait and vacuum and mop on the day of. With having dogs, it just doesn't make sense to do it. Already gonna be so messy again tomorrow just with having the dogs and them going outside and inside, so I'm just gonna wait, do that later on in the week. I absolutely need a coffee. I'm getting really tired. That matcha was good to give me a little bit of energy before class, but it's not getting me through the whole day, that's for sure.
State. There was sun, there was rain, but it's frustrating. So beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
I'm so tired right now. I think I'm just gonna sit down and read my book for a little bit. I might do a little bit of work, just like some planning for the week, and then a little bit of work for my YouTube video that's going up tomorrow, and then some work for my social media management client. So not necessarily actually chilling, but I don't know what happened. I'm so tired. Also, this is the planner that I use. It's from The Daily. I'll link it down below. The reason I wanted to tell you about it again, I've talked about it before, but I follow them on Instagram, and they're doing another restock on the planners. I swear they only do like 2 a year, but I just have the minimalist planner and I love it. So this is the month view, and then I've showed this before, but I make these little habit trackers on Canva, and then I just paper clip them in. But I really love this planner. So if you're looking for a new one, it has like all your meals, your workouts, grocery list. I actually use this little area over here as like a 1 line a day, like something that I'm grateful for or something good that happened that day. That's usually what I'll write, like one good thing that happened every day. And then this is where I do like my to-do lists and my deadlines and things like that. I love it. Yeah, if you're looking for a new planner, honestly, check out The Daily. They have a bunch of different types too. They came out with a content creator planner, and I want it so bad. So maybe next year I will get that one. This will last me through the end of the year. Look at my boy. You kidding me? He's so cute. You're a nice boy. He's so naughty though, you guys. Are you a naughty boy? When I brought him to the vet to get neutered like a couple months ago, I think he was neutered like the first week of February. One of the like vet techs that was in the room, I was like, oh, we're so excited to get this done. Like he's so much energy. We're hoping this like calms him down a little bit. And he was so funny. Like he was a younger guy, and he just like looked at Bogey and was like, you crazy at home? It was like so funny. And so for the past like 2 months, I just keep saying that. Like, you crazy at home? You are. Ugh, but I love him. Hi guys, happy Monday. I have not vlogged at all today, I don't think. Oh, I think I vlogged myself earlier unloading the dishwasher. Woo! It's been such a Monday. I've been so busy just like running around. I almost canceled Pilates because I'm just feeling a little stressed. I was literally debating on canceling and eating the late fee for like probably a solid 5 hours, like right when I missed the mark to cancel, because they actually switched the late cancel fee to 6 hours versus 12 hours now. And I was so close to canceling, like honestly up until the half hour before class. But I did it. We did it. We're done. I feel so much better. That was also kind of why I was pushing myself. I'm like, I know I'm gonna feel a lot better, even just stress-wise, once I finish this class. So we did it. And I don't have to cook dinner. I have leftover $1 million spaghetti, which is amazing. And I get to go shower. And it's a hair wash day. We're gonna be okay. I think we're gonna be okay. I'm back from work. My camera's being weird right now, so I'm vlogging on my phone, but I'm wearing my new sweater. How cute is this? It's so fun. And then I did a new hairstyle as well. I like it right now, but when I look back at these clips, my mind might change. But I'm gonna read my book right now. I'm reading a really good book. I'm reading Freida McFadden, which if you read Freida McFadden, you know they're just so good. If you're new to reading, her books are 100% the way to go. They're very bingeable. They're short reads, not insanely short, but when it comes to like a normal book you would read, they're on the shorter side. I'm reading The Crash right there. Then there's my Teresa Giudice cookbook. But The Crash, it's really good so far. Her books are all thrillers. They're like mysteries, murders. Again, they're just super easy to read and bingeable. I'm 37% of the way through with this one. And this one, like, it's really giving me like kind of the creeps and like making me scared, because what's going on is definitely one of my like biggest fears. So I really need to keep reading because I haven't had, like, nothing's really happened so far and I'm just like very worried. I'm also gonna drink a poppy while I read. I love this wild berry flavor. And then I'm also gonna have a little snack, and these are so good. Okay, I really binged that book. I think I said I was at 37%. I finished it. It was so good. But what was happening was just like, it was such high stakes. I had to finish it. But that's exactly what I wanted, a book like that, because I've been in a reading slump for like the past 2 months, and I knew Freida. I knew Freida would get me. She's so good. If you're new to reading, like I said, or just have been in a reading slump, you have to read some of her books. You can't go wrong. I've read so many of them, and they're all really good. I'm gonna read another one of hers. I think I'm reading The Coworker. I just started that as well. Also, I'm doing my evening skincare. Little Caudalie ice cream. What? Guys, eye cream. What was that? What was that? This is L'Occitane. I hope I'm saying these right. Overnight Reset Oil in Serum. I love this stuff. So I finished The Crash and I started The Coworker. So I'm probably gonna read some more of that tonight. I don't really know what it's about yet. I only read the first chapter, but I'm pretty sure a coworker has gone missing. L'Occitane cream. I don't know what the name is. I think it's in some other language. This smells really good. All these L'Occitane, I hope I'm saying that right, skincare products smell really good. I don't even know what it is, but it doesn't smell like how skincare usually smells. Like, a lot of it has that like spa kind of smell, but this is like slightly more citrusy, which I really like, and it's super thick. I've been really loving these. Of course, that eye cream, I use that every night, and then I've been really liking that oil, like hydrating serum, and this cream. I always put this Oak Essentials Luminous Body Lotion This is what I've been using for my body when I get out of the shower, and then I also use it on my neck. So I've actually been, I ran out of this, by the way. I also use this every night, but we ran out. I also use, so I've been going back and forth every other night between my L'Occitane that I just showed you, and then using the Primally Pure Soothing Serum, and then the Antioxidant Balm. I cannot talk. We gotta end the video. Am I okay? Am I having a stroke or something? But I've been like guys, I gotta go. But I've been going back and forth every other day with those products, or like every 2 days, switching them on and off. And I've never done that before. And I feel like it's really, like my skin's responding to it really well. So yeah, I'm gonna go because I literally keep fumbling over my own words. Thanks for watching this video. I love you. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok so we can be friends. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.